We can't even bear a small heat which is obtained from hot water or hot food. What will happen if you jump on volcano? A man who have jumped into the volcano, nothing had happened. From this situation, many questions are raised, such as by jumping into the volcano, nothing will happen or not. How much temperature our body can bear? Our body will be burned into ashes or not? Your death will be more dangerous or not? In 2007, a man named Portal had jumped into the volcano. Nothing had happened. He saved his life, but his body had burnt incompletely. There is a reason why nothing had happened because it depends upon the lava type. Lava means high temperature which is present inside the earth. He fall into the lava called nitrocarbonium lava, which is the mixture of sodium potassium carbonate minerals. This lava is found very rarely. When this lava get contact with oxygen, it will become very colder in a very short time. Why? Because sodium, potassium and carbon are very easily react with oxygen and gives a white precipitate. And this lava was burning at the temperature of 510 degrees. It is very smaller than the normal lava which will burn at 1000 to 2000 degrees Celsius. Now come to the Portal point. Now Portal had not directly jumped into the lava. He had jumped side of it. That's why he saved his life. But now you are thinking that what will happen when you jump directly into the lava? The first one, the dangerous gas do not allow you to breathe. And this gas will enter into the blood and it affect all your body parts. The second one, lava is 3 times more denser than water. It contains a liquefied sodium materials such as rocks, minerals, elements which is present inside the earth crust. From this you can sink into the lava. But now you are thinking that what will happen if we don't sink into the lava? Burning to death. Quickly burn off your lungs, skins, all your body parts. The other way is that when you hit the lava surface, you might burn into flame within seconds. By touching the lava surface, you will be burnt completely within seconds. Every element can melt into the lava, but one element which will not melt, that is titanium. Why? Because its boiling point is 3034 Fahrenheit. And finally, when you jump into the volcano, you will become like a fireball within seconds. But your bone can survive up to 1 minute. Thank you for watching my video.